Have you ever met someone so optimistic and hopeful for the future? There is someone who is. Peter Diamandis. Peter Diamandis is one of the most optimistic and inspirational people on earth. Peter is an entrepreneur, best-selling author, and a public speaker. Today I want to talk to you about his many accomplishments and his life. I want to start off by talking about his life. Peter H. Diamandis was born May 20th, 1961 in the Bronx, New York. Born from Greek immigrants, both were in medical practice business. However, Peter took an interest in space exploration. At the age of 8, he was giving speeches of space to his friends and family. By 12, Diamandis won first place at the Estes rocket design competition for building a launch system able to launch 3 rockets at the same time. After graduating from Great Neck High School in 1979, Diamandis attended Hamilton College for his first year. He then later transferred to Massachusetts Institute of Technology to study biology and physics and co-founded Students of the Exploration and Development of Space. Peter graduated from MIT with his BS in molecular genetics. He then entered Harvard Medical School to pursue his MD. Next, I want to talk to you about Peter's career. Peter has many different companies, all with the goal of improving civilization on Earth. Peter's main company is X Prize Foundation, which is a foundation for the future, where anyone can solve the world's problems for money or prizes. Peter has also opened a university called Singularity University to help educate and inspire the younger generation. Singularity University is a benefit corporation that provides educational programs, initiative partnerships, and a startup accelerator to help individuals, businesses, institutions, investors, and governments to understand cutting-edge technology. Our mission is to educate, inspire, and empower leaders to expeditional technologies to address humanity's grand challenges. Lastly, I want to talk to you about Peter's time as an author and some of his achievements. Peter has written many books over time that have helped the younger generation learn. Diamandis' book, The Future is Faster Than You Think, is a gripping and insightful book that leads us to a roadmap to our near future. Diamandis and Steve Kotler investigate how wave after wave of exponentially accelerating technologies will impact both our daily lives and society as a whole. Peter has also written books on one of his most notable subjects. In his book Abundance, he speaks of how progression in artificial intelligence, robots, digital manufacturing, synthetic biology, and other exponentially growing technology will enable us to make greater gains in the next 2 decades than we have in the previous 200 years. In conclusion, we've talked about Peter's early life and his way up to success, from his business to his books. Peter has changed and helped so many people from all around the world to see a brighter future. When you think of people that have impacted the world, make sure Peter Diamandis is one of them, with how much support he's given the next generation of learners to succeed and fix our problems.